offering food for the kids.
Okay, so we'll
I-post
do
nila
an
daw sa
interview
YouTube
and I will
o
be
sa
posted it in
Okay ra.
YouTube or
Pantay
Facebook.
ra.
Is it okay? And he say that his papa is
Oh,
also
aso unsa
a
man niyang
vlogger.
kuan pod?
So I am asking them what is his Facebook or what. And the older boy said that his
Oh,
vlogging,
daghan na siya
seems
viewers?
like his papa is gay. I am
Ah.
asking if does he have a
Pila
lot
man day
of
mo
viewers,
kabukig
and the
suon?
boy say not so much. I asked them
Six.
how many brothers and
Ikapila man
sisters
ka?
they have, and
Ikapila
they
man ka?
reply 6. And I asked, is he the first child? or
Ikatulo
what?
pa. So
But
na
the
pa
boy
may
seems confused about the number.
Pagkaupat ka. Pero siya may
So we are
six
still,
man
or
agad mo.
I am still
So,
trying to understand what are the numberings of them. Who is the
Kuya
first,
tanan?
who is not.
Oy.
And the boy say they don't have
Oh, laki tanan.
older sister, all brother.
Ikaw pang ikapila
I'm
galing
still
ka.
confused what number is he in the sibling.
Ikaw sa isuon mo.
I make sure that they're brothers. Could be that they are cousins.
Yeah.
I
Ano
asked
itong
them why
palimos mo
are they
kay?
begging in the street.
Dili
And
ba?
the boy
Asa man
say
imo?
he's hungry.
Mama.
And I asked, where is the mama go? And the older boy say the mama is going to
Kay?
Manila. She left because her mama and papa are fighting.
Eskwela gyud mo tarong ha.
And then I advised them to go to school, be good.
And then
I asked them
Unsa may
what do
ganahan mo
they like
ikadakot
if they
nimo?
grew up, and they answered working.
ikaw sa may ganahan mo ikadako nimo.
The other boy wants to work in McDonald's.
Ah. Nindot.
Both
Ah?
of them wants to work in McDonald's.
Trabaho pag McDo.
He said, the older one said he knows
Uy,
how
kaya
to
na nga
count.
sa Jollibee.
And then I said, but yeah, we're eating here in Jollibee and you wanted to work in McDonald's.
Wow. Eskwela gyud mo ha.
Yeah, I keep on repeating to let them go to
Dili
school.
pa yan ang uban nga.
Not like the
Mag-snatch
other
na
kids
lang,
that they do
mangawat
snatching
na lang.
or any illegal crimes.
Maano?
Yeah, I said to the older one that he could help with the jeepney as
Ikaw, pwede man ka mga
jeepney
doktor na.
money collector.
Jeep ba? Baligyan
For
trapo.
selling
Pero
towels
mag-amping
in the
kay
street
basig
or
maligsan.
candies, but they have to be careful.
Kagta na lang good.
Yeah, I
Gunita na.
said
Kuan
he
dito ba?
has to, he has
Ay,
not to
kaulaw
be
ko?
shy and bite it with bare hands.
Ako gani oh.
Like same
Kinamot
thing as
tagay ko?
me, I'm using bare hands.
Naningamot bitaw mo? Aw, nanghunaw.
Like I said, anyway, you wash your hands.
Gani dagan ang rice oy.
Yeah, I ordered too much rice.
May yung no? Inikadako ninyo. And then, yung takabalo. May mo na kang pulis.
Maybe we don't know. You
May mo na
wanted you to be
dodong
an engineer
may ganang
or
engineer. Sa?
police, and I hope
Di
you
din ito ninyo kalimtan.
The boy said after he worked in McDonald's, then he will have to
Tour
study
guiding.
tour guiding or tourism industry.
Anong gisumbag man ka?
And then I asked, who's the one punching him?
Daghan sila?
Because he has bruises on his eye. He said
Nga, ikaw
there
rin
were a
usa.
bunch of kids punching him. And he is alone while they are many.
Pagka-eskwela na ninyo, dili.
Yeah, I asked if it's from his school and he said no.
Kabalo, imong kuya, nga gisumbag ka.
Does your brother know
Biglang bata.
that someone is
Nga?
punching you?
Ha?
The guy punched me had already warning from the barangay captain that he will not have to do that again, or else it may cause blindness to
Bitaw.
me.
Di ba na maayo?
Really of work. Does
Dahil
your
sa man,
brothers
imong,
are still at school?
imong kuan,
I
imong mga
asked him.
kuya,
And
nag-eskwela pa
yeah,
pod.
the boy said yes, the brothers
Unsa pa
are
nilang
into
na
school.
eskwela?
And he is there in Maslog National High School. Their brothers. And the other brother is in another school as well.
Kasi mangulata po
And
dagay
I
mo
said,
papa.
maybe
Nang
your
ilayas
dad
ng
is
mama.
punching your mama. That's the reason why your mama left. But he
Ayun.
replied, because the papa is drinking. And then, my mama see and she left. She was very angry when my papa is always drinking.
Karon sige lagi pag inom ang papa.
So now I'm asking if his papa is still drinking.
Pero sa inyo palangga,
Always
mama
drink.
papa.
And the boy said,
Gani sa?
no. And I asked, who
Na.
is your love, mama or papa? And they say, papa. Yeah, because
Mao
he's the
gyud.
one who raised us. Yeah, it's okay if he's drinking.
Mao, sakto na.
At least he's also working. And my mom is only just for lying down, no job.
Tarong yung mag-eskwela dong. Pero para hayaan mo trabaho ko kon.
I advise them again
Dayon.
to go to school
Negosyo.
so that if they can finish, they will have a good job.
Oy, very
And
good
yeah,
ka na.
maybe they can run a business after. And the young boy wants to do it.
Ining madato mo. Ay ko kalimti
And
ha.
I said, if you will be rich, please don't forget me. And the
Wow.
other boy said, I will remember your face. Because if you will be poor, then
Wow.
we will be the one to
Di na
help
po
you.
ta,
And I
mandoy
said,
mapobrita,
nah,
oy.
we don't
Kinahanglan kitang tulo,
want to
portahan
bring you
kita.
to become poor. I want to
Galing
help us
kay.
to be rich.
Basig old na ko ana.
But then, maybe
Nga
that
maglakaw
time,
ko,
I
nga.
cannot
Di na
walk
ko kabalong
because
mulabang
I'm
kay
too
gulang
old
na.
na.
Hindi ako
And
tabangan.
I cannot cross the road. Will you be willing to help me?
Napakaigsuon. Ang manghod. Pila edad?
So I asked them if do they still have a younger brother. And yeah, they're confused if they do have like this. And the young boys, yeah, we do
Pila na
have.
edad?
Yeah, I asked for the age and they said that he's 6, but then he's taller than them because he's always sleeping.
Oh. Nya ikaw pila man day mong edad?
Yeah, I asked
Ikaw?
his age and he said
Anay na
he's
day ka.
9. And the other one is 11
So si
years
kuya,
old.
magulang na nimo, kuya. Mas magulang. Napay.
They still have brother back home. Keep on repeating
Basta ha?
myself that they have
Pag
to be
tinarong yun
good.
ha.
They will
Dili
not
mo
have to
magbad
do
boy pareha ng
bad
kuban ha.
things like
Pareha na
some
nakakabalita mo
kids
nga
are killing
naigipusin,
another
mga bata na
kids with a
musik, kabatay mo
gun
na.
like
Na,
that.
ay mo pag friends.
And the other boy said, no, I will not. The young boy said that if there is dead, then they will have to call for the police.
Inig na mo yung mga friends nga mag-drugs, ayaw dyan mo appeal kay
If you
makabuang.
found a friends who are into drugs, then you should not have to do that because it makes you crazy.
Basi niya inigkadako ninyo na.
Maybe if
Lakaw-lakaw
you
na lang
grow
ng
up
muskasada.
and then
Mo manig-bata
you
akong
walk around
sa Jollibee, oh.
in the road because
Wala
you
na
were
buang
crazy.
na dahil mo kay drugs.
And then I will say, hey, those were the kids that I met in the Jollibee. And yeah, you're crazy now.
Mo gani yun mo apil-apil ng bad ha. Kano sa pamaniko
I
ni mama?
asked the
Nilakaw.
boys when are their
Uy.
mama leave, and then the older one answered that the mama lives long time. And so yeah, she was now there in hall. And then the baby boy said,
Very good. Wa pa uyab
my
yung
papa is
papa.
always working. Their dad is a very hard
Wa pa
working
uyab
job,
yung
and I
papa.
asked if does your papa has a girlfriend.
Mama, dili siya pare on. Buwag na sila kaya mama.
He replied that the mama
Uy.
cannot come back here and they separate because my mama has another
Yan ano po
man
siya anak dito.
and also another kid. Yeah, new
Bagong
son
anak na pod.
of their mom.
Sige ra oy. Ipakita na ninyo po nga.
Makabasa ba?
Then I just said, yeah, it's okay. Let her see you in the future that you are good. And then the other one said, it's okay, we will do it. And the boy said, like, there is an old woman and asking also money, and they gave it to also some food. So they explained to me that they are also generous to other beggars, like old beggars. That if they cannot finish their food, then they will have to pack it. And
Si kuya ninyo, dagko na. High school na. Hapit na mo graduate.
I was asking also about their older brother.
College na
and
po.
they said that he's almost graduating in a high school and he will be in university or college.
Dito. Inigda ko
I
ninyo yung
asked
pagkitaon
them
ng
if
inyong
you grow
mama.
old, will you find your mama?
Ikaw?
And they say no.
Papa, mo sa ban.
Yeah, they said that they
Bitaw
will
sang
just
ano,
only
bitang
help.
biyaan mo no?
And then I said, yeah, why your mama left you,
Sa
right?
mama, box.
Da.
The older one said that we will
po,
do
wala po kay
revenge
mama.
to our mother.
Gibiyaan po ko.
Tama yun ng mama.
I spoke a little bit that I don't have parents growing up, and the boy said, I will have to tell my mama
Bitaw.
that I will not help you, only Papa.
Papa, mamuna lang ako.
Our Papa will spank us if we will not have to
Wow.
go to school.
Absent
So it's
din
amazing,
pagkakon.
right?
Wala siya.
We absent the other day, and he doesn't know. When he figured it out that night, he spanked us. But it's okay.
Bitaw
It's
mayo
not
kay si papa ninyo nagkuan gid og para maka-eskwela mo ba?
Kami nag-eskwela.
Yeah, our
Very
Papa
good.
is happy whenever he see us go to
Para
school.
para dili kay mo ulaw nang malimot.
I said, so that
Baligya
it
na
will
lamang
not
ang upuan,
be
trapo.
ashamed of you asking money, maybe you should have to
Towel.
sell some rugs or towels.
Tawin.
Ha?
Wala.
Gani kay og pananglitan kuan kanang example be.
And
Ana,
then the
ulong
young
kay nang
boy
mangayo ra.
told me that they
Diba?
don't have towel. And I said like, yeah, you know, it's so shy if you're asking money directly, right?
Na may cellphone.
I asked them if do they have cell phone, and they say no, they don't have.
Uy,
Yeah, I'm so happy to see them that they're enjoying. And you know, he's still playing balloons, kind of like basketballs. Maybe I don't have the money, I can offer him also basketball. I'm so happy and I'm so blessed that I can share my things to them. And they are so caring with each other. Remember, like I only invite one boy, the small one. But then he ran. He said,
kinsa nimong pangalan?
I'm gonna get my brother.
Ha? Ha? Rinjo.
Yeah, I asked
Injo.
their name, but
Unsay
then,
tinuod pangalan?
it's really hard for me to remember.
Ikaw?
Naksa. Nas.
Nax.
Tinod niya pangalan kay Lampi. Lampi.
Pampi?
Lampi.
Lampi? Ah, sa siya lang mga
Their
pangalan.
names is
eh.
hard to remember, but it's
Apelido?
a unique name.
Nisa.
And yeah, thank you for their money.
Nisa. Bitaw sa Sige ra. O sick gyud kay gibiyahan mo sa inyong mama.
Yeah, I feel so sad because their mama left them.
Mag-ibuga kita siya po.
Their mama will
Muna
be
pag tinarong
jealous
gyud mo.
if they are
Kay
very
para
successful in
kay kung
their
simba ko,
life.
dili mo magtinarong, mapreso mo. Mo ano na inyong
Because
mama nga.
if you are
Ay,
not good
mayroon po
and
na ako
will
rin
be
sa
in
nagabiyaan
prison,
kay
then your
maulawan
mama
ba
will
ka aning mga
be
bataan.
very proud of you and will say, hey, much better than I left them because they're bad.
Ha?
Ano na paglabas?
But yeah, he always say that he has to revenge her mama.
Purpose mo.
Well, I am asking if they're part of
Purpose mo.
the government program.
Ano bang nabay kon sa gobyerno?
Purpose.
Na madawat. Dili.
Yeah, but then they don't know about it.
Una pa ay. Di na ko.
And then I still share my
Ay, share ra
leftover
ta.
spaghetti.
Nanawa bitanan ako
some
giugawan.
chicken, and the boy said, hey, I'm almost full.
Nao. Sige. Sige. Ani na lang. Umana ka ana. Umana ka ana. Ako na lang. Ikuan. Baylo. Asa man yung pamaho ganiha?
Pagkupan. Gusto of... Gusto of pag. Ito na.
Yeah, I asked them what are their food, and then they explained to me their breakfast.
Wala ka na papa. O, yara ba yan?
Di man mo pwede mamaligya sa eskwelahan, no?
I asked if it's available that they can sell something in the school, and then he said like, yeah, my classmate is also selling some snacks. Like,
Nga, ulaw pa ka ganiha, dodong. Ulaw pa ka na ko ganiha.
and then I say, hey,
Pero
baby
utang ka
boy,
sa
are
kay
you
Juan man, di
that
makamukhaan
shy
o wala yung kuya.
for me? But you're so kind because you will not eat without your brother.
Ha?
Magkakaon.
Wa pa ikaw, wa pa dahil kay ikaw ganiha?
Kung papa man, nagkuhan ko
Yeah,
na.
earlier they don't have food because
Yeah,
their
here.
tata is still working a tricycle driver.
Babay na lang.